Hello, Anthony Gambale here. Welcome to Dreams Business Cloud Training, which of course is on the Go High Level chassis here. What I'm going to do here is just go over how to import contacts, where to get them from. I'm just going to assume that you're new to the platform, Go High Level or Dreams Business Cloud. Same thing, same procedure here. Most people have their contacts stored on their phone, and their phone is backed up to a database, right? Whether it is Yahoo, Gmail, wherever that is, it could even be in Microsoft Outlook. Okay, this procedure is going to work pretty much everywhere, and it's going to have a similar process. Okay, I'm in a demo account here, and I'm going to review how to do it in Gmail. Quite a lot of people have Gmail, so let's go into Gmail. What you're going to do first is open some type of a Google browser, whether it's your email account or search, whatever, and you're going to look for this little 9 digits here. Looks like an old telephone pad from back in the day before we had cell phones. Okay, you'll click on that, and you'll scroll down and you'll look for contacts. Okay, once you click on contacts, it will take you to this page. Okay, now what you see here is I have over 2,000, just over 2,000 contacts in here. Okay. Now what we want to do is get these contacts, right? Pull them out of um, Gmail, out of my Google, and put them into Dreams Business Cloud, Go High Level. Okay. So how do we do that? Whether it's Gmail, Yahoo, wherever you are, okay, wherever you're looking at your database now, you could pause it right now and go into your database. I highly recommend uh, having a second screen. If for some reason you do not have a second screen, then get a second device. Okay? Get a second device and watch this video on a tablet and then work on your computer. This way you can look and stop and pause and not bounce back and forth between tabs because it's going to make you dizzy. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to look for somewhere. Okay, for Gmail, it's right here. Okay, this is the export feature. You click on that and you're going to export your contacts, and it's going to ask you how. You're going to do it in a CSV format. Okay, CSV is the top one here. You select that, then you hit export. Okay, now all my contacts are in export. Okay, so now what do we do? Now let's go into those contacts. Okay, so now we've got all these phone numbers and everything is in contacts. That's into the download that we have. They're all here. Okay, so what are we going to do here? Is we're going to use AI or ChatGPT or whatever you have to help you with this list, because you may have more than 2,000. You may have 3,000, I don't know how many you have, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to upload this list into the AI and have it scrub this list and give you a cleaner version. Okay, so let's go and do that. Okay, so now we've moved over into ChatGPT. Okay, I have a paid account. I suggest you get a paid account. It's $20 a month. It's a sandwich and a drink a month, and this is that's an amazing platform. Okay, just leave it at that. So this is what I'm typing in here. I'm telling it I want to give you this file. Right, you could use this exact verbiage if you like here, and we're going to hit the query. That's going to be thinking absolutely, right? First name, last name, phone numbers, email address, identifying any duplicates. Okay, so it knows what we want to do. Okay, now I'm going to ask it another question. Now I'm telling it that I want them to just send me people, like no customer service, just individuals, right? And it's going to say I understand what you want. That makes sense. Actual people only, 800 numbers, blah, blah, blah. Now I'm going to go here and I'm going to click that and I'm going to go to my downloads because it's in my downloads. Pull that in, right? And then I'm going to let it do its thing. Okay, so it has done its thing. I paused the video. It took a few minutes to do that. It did what I said, what I told it to do. So I had to take that call. 800 numbers were pulled out. Sales apartments were pulled out, right? It's telling me that it cleaned everything up. All the contacts good. It whittled it down to 1,900 contacts, removed 21. And it created a clean GoHighLevel version. Okay, so let's go take a look at it. I'm going to download it and go like this. Highlight. So if you want to push it out, you just highlight the whole thing, hit the corner, highlight the whole thing, go to between A and B, and just double click with the left mouse click, and that will expand everything out. Okay, so that looks good. Let's see what we have here. GoHighLevel cleanup. Maybe that's not the right one. Hold on, stand by. Okay, so we have a clean list. I just don't have anything displayed here because I have to blur it out anyway, so there's no purpose in putting it in here. But what's really important is the headers. Okay, the headers here. That is the important part here. So GoHighLevel and this worksheet are going to talk, right? When you import it, GoHighLevel is going to say, do you have a first name, last name, email, phone number, additional email? That's what it's saying to this document. And this document is going to say, yes, I have a first name, last name, email, so on and so forth. And here's what that is below. Okay, and that will pull in all that information into the system. Okay, so this is done, and I'm going to kind of almost pull it in, but not quite. But I'm going to bring it right to that point so you can understand. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We're going to import. See that? Import. We can import contacts. Okay, I'm in the demo account here, not my account. Check that. Next. Click here. You can either drag it or upload it. Okay, once you create that list and it's done, you should create a folder and put that list in your folder and name it lists. Name the folder lists and name the file, which is the individual document that we just created, wherever you got it from contacts. So if you got it from your Gmail, my Gmail contacts, my Yahoo contacts, my phone contacts. Okay, this way you know where that person came from once the communication processes begin. So now you click on here. You go. Mine just happens to be in the downloads. This is it right here, cleaned. I'm gonna bring it in. Uh, Next up is I'm going to create and update. Pretty much this is what you're going to be doing. You can either create a new contact or you're going to update something that's already there. And then you're going to go next. Okay, so here's that communication I was telling you about, right? First name, GoHighLevel says, do you have a first name? And the document says, I have a first name. It's mapped. Last name, mapped. Email, phone, additional email, business name. So look, it mapped all that data that I talked about, right? What it didn't map is what it doesn't recognize in GoHighLevel. So we're good to go. We select the box here, don't import data that doesn't match. Go to next. Okay. So here, we're going to do two things. You're going to create a smart list. Check that. And the smart list is going to be my uh, Google contacts. Okay, that's a smart list. You can add a tag. I'm not going to here, but if you wanted to add a tag, I'm not going to do it because I'm creating a smart list here. Okay, then you hit confirm, and then you go bloop, you import. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to import this into the sub account. But at that point, your contacts will be imported and ready to go. Okay, so that is how you do that. Okay, so let's pause the video for a second. Okay, let's play devil's advocate here, assuming that you don't have your phone synced to anything but your phone, right? You don't have a data source, a cloud, or anything like that. All your contacts are in your cell phone. Now what? How do I get them out of my cell phone? You're going to go to Contacts to Excel. This is for um, Google, for Play Store, right? And this is the one you want. You're going to look for this guy right here, AJ, right? There are different versions of this software. This one pretty much comes up to the top of the search whenever you do a search. So do this one. You're going to install it on your device. There's a video here you can watch and do the bouncing ball, download it on your phone, and then once you have it on your phone, it's the same process, right? You upload it into the AI, tell it the same thing, and you're good to go. Okay. Okay, now let's address Apple devices. You got your contacts on an Apple device. Now what? Okay, so just go into Google AI mode. Okay, I'm in AI mode, and type in export my iPhone contacts to a CSV, and it's going to give you step-by-step instructions. The easiest way is to bring them into your Gmail or into a Google account. It will sync, and then you could download it into that Google account, and then you're ready to go. Okay.